Tucked into the brick and steel canyons of Pioneer Square is a 22-foot-tall gesture of sound and texture known as Waterfall Garden. Step in, and the relentless, high-pitched hum of traffic and commerce is instantly drowned out by the constant volume of water cascading over stone. It is a sanctuary built not just with stone and foliage, but with powerful white noise. A deliberate, private oasis. Built in 1978, Waterfall Garden was funded by the Annie E. Casey Foundation to honor UPS co-founder James Casey on the site of the company's first headquarters. UPS began here in 1907, in a tiny office on this same block. Now, a global corporation's success has been distilled into a small, carefully crafted sanctuary, a gesture of gratitude embedded directly into its point of origin. Most city parks are democratic by design, owned by the public and shaped, sometimes imperfectly, by public needs. Waterfall Garden, however, is a privately owned public space. Its beauty is deliberate, curated, and maintained to a level most municipal budgets could never consistently support. That level of care is its gift. Everything here is pristine. The foliage, the stonework, the symmetry, the sound. It offers an almost cinematic calm. But this level of perfection comes with boundaries. As with many privately operated public spaces, accessibility is conditional. The park closes early. Security staff monitor behavior. This is the crux of the controversy. For many, the very essence of a public park is its unconditional access. Yet, the Waterfall Park, like many privately owned public spaces, is a space of conditional publicness. The tranquility you feel here comes with a hidden contract. Private control means private standards, and the quiet comfort itself is a condition of entry. All of this aside, the serenity of the park remains. Waterfall Garden Park isn't just a tourist attraction, it is an escape from the procession of city life. It is a place of designed and actively managed idealism, where 5,000 gallons of water per minute drown out everything, except the faint tension of the expectations that come with being inside a walled garden.